Kia ora whānau, welcome back to Kaitaki Marakai. I just wanted to show you my little tool sheds that, well, this part of my garage that used to just be a storage area for just bits and bobs. I've now converted it into my Marakai space, and so you'll see I've got all these tools, lawnmower, that's all training tyre. Thanks, whānau. And so we're coming into the winter period soon. We're in this last kind of month and a half for autumn, and so one of the things that I'll be doing over that period of time is the husbandry around my tools. So I've utilised them all over the harvesting period, over the summer period, of a spring that has just gone, so the couple of seasons that have we've just moved through. Done a lot of work with them. So now over this winter phase, as everything kind of starts to shut down or go to sleep or quieten down, and you know the soil's not as warm, you've got time to either do your records and so forth, like I have to do for my Huapara Kore certification, but husbanding my tools. So give them a wash, tidy them up, clean them up, do a bit of a cleaning in here, clean up all my trays that I'll be using for spring in regards to seasonal planting, and my potting areas. So those are just the kind of little things that I'm thinking about in my tool shed, as it kind of everything gets chucked in here, and now it's a good time to tidy up and think about getting them ready for springtime and all our other projects that we may be picking up over the next couple of months. Yep. I do have a Yates planting schedule, which is kind of helpful, gives me a bit of a guide. So here's your plant. Let's say, which one am I? Broccoli. So I do a lot of broccoli. So according to this chart, the yellow is sow directly, the already colour is sow in trays or outside in sheltered areas, green is a sowing into, where is it? Greenhouse, and plant seedlings. So for broccoli you've got 3, and it just basically tells you when it's good to. So right up till the end of May, broccoli can be planted. So go down, yeah, and it's actually where I am. We've got quite a, so those ones can't, but these here pretty much all year. Peas, look at that, don't do peas much. Pumpkin, springtime, yeah, so it's just a little bit of a help me's, and I have a little nosy what's going on. Carrots is another one. Where do I see that? Carrots, yeah, sow directly all year round. That's pretty cool. And then yeah, anyway, that's my little tool shed, husbandry stuff, cleaning up. Yeah, the busyness of the season, all you're doing is doing the work, chuck the tools back, do the work, chuck the tools back. So just like the garden, your husbandry of the tools is an important function too. All right, that's what it looks like.